Mazda red's real maroon though, you know, like that. That's super maroon.
I think it's the same exact red.
Chevy's got a good red.
I should have come in this parking lot sooner.
There's some good stuff over there. Field trip time. Despite Brian's dismay for what we're about to do, are we taking the slingshot?
Yeah, I'm totally down to go and do this.
All right, guys. Me and Brian are about to jump on the slingshot. Honestly, just for a reason to go ride around in the slingshot. But the reason we're giving ourselves is so that we can go and look at paint colors for our CBR1000. We know it's going to be black and red with a little bit of white, but much to my new understanding, there's lots of every color. It's things like blue.
10 million of them.
Yeah, things don't just, there's not just blue. You don't tell people like, I would like a blue thing. I would like a red thing. There's millions of reds. So Brian had the idea of just going to different car dealerships and looking at reds. So we're going to bring you guys along with, because that's what we do here, Brian.
I just threw Ferrari out there because they're typically red. I don't think we're going with the Ferrari.
Yeah. Also, I really doubt a Ferrari dealership's going to be like, what are you guys doing? I'm like, just recording a YouTube video for a motorcycle channel, guys. What's up? How we doing? Do you think we'll get more or less attention at a dealership if we roll up in a slingshot?
More disposable income.
Oh, good point. This is going to be fun. We'll take you guys along with it. There's a reason we have a terrible back tire on that. I hope I live through today. My feet only barely moved. Where can we find a good red?
I'm trying to think of some place where there's lots and lots of car dealerships.
Yeah, they typically they exist together.
Yeah, they
a lot of the
together.
time. Definitely too dark. So guys, we pulled into a Honda dealership and
Still a little too dark. That one's closer though.
I feel like everything looks maroon. There's no real reds yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. We're just creeping through, don't worry.
It's kind of too orangey.
Yeah. It really looks orange on the camera.
I mean, this one over here is a little bit more red.
Yeah.
I like that color.
Alright guys, so the 2021 Honda Civic Rallied Red, it's not bad, but it's got a little too much orange in it, especially in the reflections. So, close, but we're going to have to move on. Alright Honda, not a bad showing. Better luck next time. Alright, next up, Mazda. Let's see if they got a good red. Mazda red's real maroon though, you know, like that. That's super maroon. They all use the exact same color, I wonder?
They probably don't have two different color reds.
I gotta say though, these Mazdas don't look bad. If you guys can't tell, we're currently at a Mazda dealership and everything looks maroon, so I guess they're not really a big fan of red, so we might have to move on from Mazda.
That's GMC, I think they're next.
GMC?
Yep.
Alright, better luck there. Oh yeah, Corvette and stuff? Wait, is that GMC?
That's Chevy.
Whoops. Corvette company will be good.
Chevy and GMC are sister companies, so.
That's not a bad red.
That's a pretty good red. Not too orange, it is very red.
It is a very red. Look, we got another red car here that's not bad. Same. Chevy.
I think it's the same exact red.
Chevy's got a good red. I actually like Chevy's red a lot. Oh, Alfa Romeo, here we go.
It's a nice red.
That is a very, I like this red the most so far. And of course, it's an Italian company. I feel like we might have some good luck at Chevy though now.
Okay.
Now seeing this stuff, if we go to a Porsche place, they're not going to have cars just sitting out for us to walk around.
Yeah, they will.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh.
There'll be some cars in the lot.
All right. Chevy first, then Porsche?
Say that again?
Chevy first, then Porsche?
I think we need to hit Ford too.
You want to give them a chance? They're American.
Yeah,
We'll give them a shot.
You know.
We won't count them out. Look at that boy right there. Now that we're close to it, kind of orangey.
Kind of orangey, yeah.
Kind of orangey, yeah. From far away, that Mercedes looks really good though.
There's your Chevy Corvette red.
I don't like that red though. That's a worse red. I'll tell you, having that Corvette next to that Mercedes makes the red Corvette look like shit. That red? Dude, that's orange. I'm here for that one. I think that's the best red we've seen. But it's right next to another red, so I don't know what that's kind of doing to the look. I vote this one so far, but the search continues. It's a good red. I'm here for it.
Now while we're here, you can cruise up the street and roll through Ferrari and Maserati.
Something tells me we might be able to find a red at Ferrari.
But
Maybe.
is it going to be the red that we want?
It's exactly.
Because I'm pretty sure the great majority of the reds that they use are all the same.
Yeah, just
I think
because
there
we've got
are-
options of red doesn't mean we find the right red.
Right.
So,
Red Ferraris over there.
2 lanes over.
I should have come in this parking lot sooner.
There's some good stuff over there. We just gotta figure out how to get to it. Oh, shit. That's a good red.
That is a good red.
That's a great red. How fitting that Ferrari has such a good red. Oh, what is that Alfa? Is that Alfa Romeo?
It's an Alfa.
Bruh. Not for the red, for the car.
I like the red too.
It's too dark though when we've got like this kind of red. Whoa! What's this red here at the end? What is that red? Oh my goodness, that's the red. Ryan, I think this is the one.
I think you might be right.
That is 100% the red.
So what model is this?
That's all I want in my life right now though.
Can you
Bro,
zoom in and see the model?
Look at the end of it. We'll be able to find the model online. Holy cow. Because it's a customer vehicle. They're not going to have any sticker data on it.
No, but I mean, I thought there would be like, you know, call letters or something on the back of the car.
Yeah, no. That's our red, boys. We found her. We found the red. It's crazy that that red is so much more different than the other reds.
Yeah.
Even inside Ferrari's own lineup. Let's do one more drive-by just to get a closer shot of it. But I think we found the red. That one's good. That one's good. But look at it from here. You can totally tell from right here.
It's a bit darker.
It's a bit darker, but only slightly. That's our red. Whatever this thing is, that's our red.
It's hard to say what actual red this car is.
But you don't think this car, there's not that many reds. Like,
Sorry, this is Ferrari red.
right.
That's Ferrari red. They're all the same color red. This one's not. This guy came in and said, I want you guys to paint my car this color.
Huh.
So, I mean, or he flipped through a book and was like, I want this color.
Well, whatever this is, that's our red, boys. Now we just got to find it online.
We'll try and figure it out, right?
That is a fucking gorgeous car.
Yes, it is.
My God. I feel bad calling it a car. That's a machine.
Like, I could spend an hour looking at one of these cars.
I could spend a day filming one of these cars. Ferrari Rosso Corsa Danger Red. My
What do you
God.
call it? Danger red?
Yeah, Danger Red. So that's what 20 years of red will do to red.
Yeah.
That makes
And
sense.
imagine these cars are inside 99% of the time.
So that's the red in a good situation. Ferrari red.
Ferrari
What
Ninja
a
Red.
full circle moment of like, of course it's a fucking Ferrari red, and of course it's after we look at some like pleb cars. These guys, they know what's up. Ferrari, we appreciate your dedication to red. If it wasn't for you, our
We'd
bike
have to keep looking.
our bike would look like a Mazda. At least we can look at it in a way now where we've
have
seen a
something
really
we're gonna
high
compare
level
it to.
one. So we're just looking like, can anything beat that? They don't have red anything.
Not one red car in the lot.
These Germans have no passion. They have electricity though.
Careful what you say, man. We're still in the parking lot.
Look, see, no red. Perfect. Not giving up. We're giving everybody a fair shake.
That's a good red too.
Where at? That is not a bad red.
That's a really good red.
That is a really good red. That's a surprisingly good red. That's maroon. Looks like a condiment factory over there. Good red though. I'd probably say that's the hey, there's the relish.
Here's the relish.
And the mayonnaise. Honestly, that's probably the second best red we've seen. Not gonna lie.
I agree, I like that red.
It's not Ferrari red. This is the problem though with the Hondas. They showed orange on camera a lot, and the Ferrari came up just like red as blood. So there might be something in the pigment of these,
Absolutely, yeah.
but like the Ferrari was fucking pure.
Are you ready?
Yes. Goodbye, Jeep.
We might have to get out of the car to go look at car mix.
Gross. Maroon. I never realized how popular maroon was. Like, there's a lot of maroon cars.
I think people try and dumb down their red because it's kind of.
They don't want
Everybody
to get
always
so
says that
flashy.
you get pulled over more in a red car, you know. So they're trying to take a little bit of the flash out of it, I think.
But still give you the red-ish.
Still give you red.
I think the last place we should check would maybe be Porsche. That's the only person out there, the only company that I think that even get kind of close to where we are right now. There's a Porsche dealer close, right?
Yeah.
And I'm sad that they don't have an F1 team. A good red.
That's a very good red.
That is a very good red. In a very good car. Ryan, what do you think about baby blue?
I love this color.
I love the car.
It's got a little tiny bit of metal flake in it.
Yeah, that's similar to that like Honda red. Kind of orangey.
You know, that actually looks exactly like the stock Honda red that came off the
I'm
bike.
pretty sure it is because in the camera it looks orange. Goodbye, Porsche. You've got some cool stuff. Bro, no reds in sight. Oh, there's a red. Another orange red.
Yep.
There's so many orange reds. Oh my god. Last place, Volvo.
Volvo, Volkswagen.
Wow, no red in sight at all. don't have any other left other than Volkswagen, right?
Pretty much.
It is a good red.
That's a real good red.
That might be the second best red we've seen today. What do you
Go
think?
see it on this Beetle. It's probably the same color.
Yeah, it looks about the same.
That's a really good red.
That is a really good red.
I think this is number 2.
Me too. Volkswagen is a solid 2 spot on the red game.
And what was the other one that was pretty close?
The Porsche Taycan, not Taycan, SUV.
Yes.
But I think that Porsche SUV might have been a little too dark for our case. I think that's probably number 2. Ferrari number 1. We calling it? Ferrari?
I think we're calling it.
We've spent 2 hours looking up cars. Not 2 hours. Yeah, almost 2
just
hours.
about, yeah.
Alright, so guys, we spent 2 hours looking at cars, and who'd have thought Ferrari's red's the best red? It only makes sense for it to be that way. To the shop! As we find ourselves back at Rec Portugal Garage Shop.
See if the garage door opener works.
I don't know if it does.
Oh! Oh no! I'm leaving this out here until we fix that.
Yep, we're not gonna. Okay, cool.
My bad. He said, oops.
Well, we made it back for sure. Feels good to be back. Bro, what if the garage door would have just went? What if it would have just yeeted? It's like, well, there goes the MT10.
I don't know me on the street.
And in a perfect story of events, now we have this to fix. But hey, now we know that Ferrari Danger Red is the way to go. It is literally called Danger Red.
It's Ferrari Rosso Corsa Danger Red.
Now we just gotta find if we can do Danger Red.